Today I will talk about how can you select, you can like it, your comments on your Instagram app. So all you have to do in the first, you just go down here, you click on your photo profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on notifications. So then all you have to do next to just click on posts and stories and comments. So then you just go down here, you keep going down here until you will find here comments, likes and pins. And here can you select here who can like your comments in this list on your Instagram app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.